Hey everybody, Mr. Larson here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your model of the single bacteria. So this question tells us that given that a single bacteria divides by binary fission or it doubles every 20 minutes, use Google Sheets to create a graph that models how this population grows over time. So I'm going to walk you through how to create this model, how to use Google Sheets in order to complete this question. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to create a Google Sheets document. How you do that is if you go to File here, you go to New, and then you click on Spreadsheet. And that'll create a different page that looks like this. So you'll have different cells here that kind of tell you have different bits of information and so on. So once you have this page, we need to figure out what we're looking at. So in the question, it asks us to look about how many bacteria there are over time. So how we set that up is we have time over here. We can do number of bacteria in this spot. So time, if we start at 0, we're going every 20 minutes. So 20, 40. You can keep on typing it, or a shortcut here is if you highlight these first 3, you click on this box or click and hold on this box, drag down to 15, and that'll give you the data that you need. So you can see here, it's every 20 minutes. That'll work perfectly for what we need. Now, for the number of bacteria, it tells us that we start off with one bacteria cell. And the question informs us that it doubles every 20 minutes. So now that we have 1, this is going to be doubling. How we can set this up is through a sort of shortcut using Google Sheets. And how we do this shortcut is if you click on the equal sign, we can create a equation that automatically calculates this for us using Google Sheets. This is one shortcut that is actually really useful with Google Sheets. So we now have our equal sign and we can create this equation. So they're going to click on this one above. I want you to click on Shift 8 key, which gives you a star, meaning multiply. So this star just means multiply. And then you're going to click 2 because we are doubling multiplying it by 2 every single time, every single 20 minutes. And if you click enter, it'll give you the correct number. Now, in order to apply this to every single situation, you can always use a calculator. You can use your own head if you want to. But I think this way is easier if you want to do a lot of numbers. So here, you can kind of do the same system where we click on this box, click and hold, drag it down, and it automatically calculates it for us. So we now have our data. If you want to repeat or if you want to rewatch that, feel free to pause this video, go back, see how I did that, and just kind of copy what I just walked through. Feel free to do that. And now I'm going to create that chart that we need to, that graph. So if you highlight all of this, all of the data you collected, you click on Insert, Chart. And that should give you the number of bacteria over time. So you can kind of see this chart here. And this is what you're going to be copying and pasting into the document. So you're going to copy, go back to our original document here, and click Paste and link to Spreadsheet. And there you go. So that is how you create a chart through Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know. Feel free to rewatch this video to help you make your graph. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll see you guys later.